GAP stock Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Let's talk about this. So generally speaking, we gap incorporated is $24.88, 601% up. And I want to say this is that if I look at it from a higher time frame perspective, not 1 minute, that's not higher time frame. I mean, I'm talking like here. I mean, I have nothing wrong with it. I mean, I'm worried it's kind of gapping up and whatnot, but it's, you know, obviously fine. But I'm still willing to take this thing up, and I think that even I have my drawings here somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, no drawings. Higher time frame wise, talking these highs. So it's exactly how that would look like. If I come here to the 2-hour or the 4-hour chart, you see that it gapped up, man. And tomorrow, like when we have that day trade period, you know, it's going to be from here, for me, from here to around here. And in this period, it might come down, hit the break-even point or whatever, but I'm not even like interested in that much. More so, just looking to take things up. Yeah, this is like not a great timing for me, generally speaking, so I'll definitely have to wait. So yeah, but overall, like I'm quite biased towards the long side, and I'm just saying. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.